Lot 345 is by Cornelis de Vos, a much admired work this week, Portrait of a Young Girl at the Virginal. I am opening at $500,000 now, at $600,000. The bid is yours, George, at $600,000. Next bid is $650,000. At $600,000. $650,000. Calvin, you're in. Thank you so much. At $650,000. At $650,000. It's yours, Calvin. $700,000. Back to you, Chris. Once again, at $700,000 for this beautiful, beautiful portrait. At $700,000. $750,000 to you, Calvin, at $750,000. At $750,000, it's yours, Calvin. At $750,000, $800,000. Thank you, Chris. It's yours now at $800,000. With UCTA at $800,000. At $800,000 now. At $800,000. $850,000. I had ahead of you, Calvin. It's with George now at $850,000. $900,000. Thank you so much. It's yours now at $900,000. $950,000. Back to you, George. At $950,000 already. At $950,000 here. It's with you, George, at $950,000. $1 million even. It's the bid. $1 million to you, Chris. Who will say 1-1? At $1 million now. It's yours, Chris, at $1 million. At $1 million. The bid is there. With you, Christopher Apostle. Selling now at $1 million. $1,000,001 in a new place. Liz, thank you so much. $1,000,001, there it is. At $1,000,001, it's on my right at $1,000,001. Yours, Liz, at 1-1 now. 1-2, thank you. $1,000,002, it's yours. 1-3, thank you so much, Liz. At $1,300,000, there it is. At $1,003,000. Chris, say 1-4, please. At $1,003,000. At $1,300,000. With you, Liz, thank you so much. At $1,003,000 now. 1-4 would be next, at $1,003,000. You have all the time you need, my friend, at $1,300,000. Selling to you, Liz, at $1,300,000 now. $1,004,000 is the bid. I heard it. Not sure if you did, but I did. At $1,004,000 now. $1,005,000. Elizabeth, at $1,500,000. At $1,500,000. There's the bid. At $1,005,000. Thank you, Liz. At $1,005,000. $1,005,000 is the bid, yes. Any advance, Chris? At $1,500,000? At $1,005,000 now. $1,006,000. Thank you very much. $1,600,000. The bid is yours, sir, at $1,006,000. $1,007,000. Back to you, Liz, now at $1,007,000. For this incredibly beautiful portrait, might I repeat, at $1,007,000. At $1,700,000. It's yours, Liz, at $1,007,000. We all through, Christopher. Thank you so much. At $1,700,000. Liz, the bid is yours, selling now at $1,007,000. Calvin all through, Chris all through, the room, no regrets, at $1,700,000. The bid is with you, Liz, and I will sell at $1,700,000. Liz, it's yours at 1-7. Thank you. Paddle 72.